Welcome to this quick, up-to-date guide on how to delete your Facebook profile photo. If you've ever uploaded a photo you didn't mean to or simply want to switch things up, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you there in seconds. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's loaded, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture, which sits near the top of the screen. This action takes you directly to your personal timeline and the photos you posted. From your profile, locate the profile photo itself and tap on it. This opens a full-size view of the image. At the top right corner of the photo, you'll see 3 dots. Tap those dots to reveal more options for the image. In the menu that appears, select Delete. A confirmation prompt will pop up to make sure you want to remove this photo from your profile. Tap Delete again to confirm your choice. The photo will be removed from your profile, and your profile photo area may revert to a default image or another photo you've set previously, depending on your settings. If you decide you want to replace the photo after deleting, you can choose a new image by tapping the profile picture again and selecting a different photo from your gallery or taking a new one. It's a straightforward change that updates instantly for everyone who views your profile. A quick tip. If you're not seeing the delete option, it might be because you're trying to remove a photo that isn't your current profile picture, or you're using a linked business account with restricted permissions. In that case, you can still remove or adjust your current active profile photo by following the same steps, or you may need to switch accounts to access full editing controls. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to delete your Facebook profile photo with ease, keeping your profile fresh and aligned with your current look.